Hey guys, it's Kara from thatbeautyaddict.com, and today I'm excited to introduce our newest foundation that just came out this month, the Unique Touch Serum Plus Foundation. So let's get started. So if you have used our Touch Mineral Liquid Foundation, this basically is replacing that. And why that is they made it better. Now we added a serum to the foundation, which is awesome. And I think it's great for people who, if you're a busy mom or you work or you're just somebody who just doesn't maybe always have the time to do a full skincare routine. I'm going to tell you, if you have the time, you should do it. Do a full skincare routine before you do your makeup, or even if you don't wear makeup, it's very important. But if you're just busy and you just don't have time for all those steps, and if anything, maybe you're not somebody that doesn't serum, we don't have to worry about it because this foundation already has the serum in it. So you're going to get the benefits of a serum. So let's talk about the benefits of this brand new foundation. Okay, first of all, it has a velvet finish on the skin. It's not cakey. It's like a semi-matte. It doesn't transfer smudge. It is heat and humid resistant, and it wears for up to 12 hours. It blurs imperfections. It is buildable coverage. So if you put one coat on and you're feeling like you want a little more, it's buildable. You can add more. It nourishes, hydrates the skin, protects the skin against the environment, and because of the serum, it helps to give that youthful appearance to the skin, and it comes in 25 shades. So you will find your shade if you're in need of this foundation, because we can pretty much match you. And also I want to let you know that the month of September, we have two September specials, the Flawless 4 and the Flawless 4 Plus, which you can get this amazing foundation as well as a bunch of other items to enhance your foundation at a really reasonable cost. So I'm going to get started and I'm going to try the foundation. I haven't even tried it on yet. I just got it. But I'm going to put a little primer on my skin, and I'm going to use Glorious Primer. And I'm going to use my foundation brush to put some of this primer on. And then I'm going to just spread it all over my face. And the reason why you would use a primer before you do your foundation is if you want your foundation to last more than 12 hours, you want to prime. So I like to prime too, because it also helps to fill in some of the pore areas, and it just makes your canvas, which is your face, feel silky and smooth, so that when the foundation goes on, it just kind of glides on, and like I said, it does help to make the foundation last a little bit longer. Okay, now it's foundation time. So you're going to open your foundation. Actually, before you open it, I'm sorry, you need to shake it. Shake it up really well. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. So shake it really good, and then open it up, and it actually comes with a dropper. So I'm going to use my liquid foundation brush. And what I love about this brush is there's like a little hole in the middle for the foundation to go. I like using this when I use liquid foundation. I also like using it when I use my BB cream. So now I'm going to apply the foundation. And in case you're wondering what shade this is khaki, because I am a little tan. Normally I use satin in the winter months when I'm not so tan, but because I am a little tan right now from the summer, I'm using khaki. And I have to say, one coat should be all I need here. It does have a really nice finish and a nice coverage. Usually with the old formulation, I would mix it with the BB cream because I felt that the foundation, the old Touch Mineral Foundation, was a little too heavy, a little too matte, and very dry feeling on my skin. And because my skin is a little more on the drier side, I like it to have a little bit more slippage, a little more moisture. So I was mixing the BB cream in with it. I didn't mix BB cream with this. I didn't have to. Why? Because it's mixed with serum. The serum is making it softer on the skin. And I do feel a difference. It feels great. I like the fact that I don't have to mix my BB cream in with this anymore. Look at this coverage. And look at the glow. Coverage and glow. Thumbs up. Next up, it's time for some concealer. And this is Velour, the shade Velour. And I'm just going to put 2 drops under my eye and blend it. And this is my concealer powder brush. I actually like using this to blend the concealer. And I also put a little bit under my brow, under my eyelid to open up the eye. And then I take the fatter side and I smooth it out. This concealer covers so much. It covers everything. But I like to give my eyes a little bit of a highlight because they're small. So that's why I go under my brow and under my eye, and it also helps with any discoloration. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. So I just did my concealer, and not only did I do it under my eyes, which I demonstrated on one eye, but I also did a little bit here, a little bit on my nose, a little bit right here, and a little bit on my chin, just to give my skin some definition. So it's not just one color, you know, the foundation. And then I just blend the areas a little bit out with my foundation brush that I want to stay a little bit darker and leave the other areas lighter. Last but not least is Touch Behold Finishing Powder. This particular one we just came out with. I love this powder and I love this brush. You definitely want this this fluffy brush. What is it called? It is called the Setting Powder Brush, and you should see the hair on this. It's great. It's great for bronzer, but I also like it for the setting powder. And you only need a little bit. And what I love about this powder is not only does it set your makeup, but it has a cooling sensation, and it's a translucent. So it's not going to change the color of your makeup. It's not. It's just a translucent shade. Whereas our other foundation powder is a foundation, and if you use that, you're probably going to get darker. But I like using that too to contour, or if I use a BB cream, I use our foundation powder, and it's another way of getting more coverage without using a liquid foundation. So that's it. I just did my translucent setting powder, and like I said, what I love about this particular one is it's kind of goes on wet and it cools the skin, which is perfect because even though it's September and it should be fall and it should be cool, it's really humid out. So it helps to calm and cool the skin down. Boom, done. So, once again, I started out with my Glorious Primer. And all these products that I'm going to go over right now, you can get in the Flawless 4 for September specials, and the Flawless 4 Plus as well. So you can get your primer, choice of primer. This is the one I chose, Glorious. Choice of foundation, but I do recommend our new foundation, the Serum Plus foundation. What do you think? It's on my face. Concealer, need concealer. Conceals as well as highlights areas of the face. And you can either do the Behold spray or one of our Behold setting powders, which are both translucents. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you found it informative. I didn't do the rest of my makeup on the video because I didn't want it to be so long, but these are my eyeshadow colors and my lip color. But I will put in the description what I used. So anyway, if you're watching this on YouTube, I hope you liked my video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and share my video. It's greatly appreciated. If you're watching this on Instagram, my information will be down below. Excuse me, I can't talk. And in my link is where you can find my my makeup if you want to purchase anything. So, or reach out to me if you have any questions. So I hope you're having a great day, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.